Everybody, this is the Canadian Witch. I just wanted to do a short video. First, I wanted to say that I just bought on eBay a camcorder that goes to 720p. I looked for 1080 and either it was really too costly or the shipping itself was really costly. So I found one, 40 bucks American, so that was like 43 in Canadian. Uh, so it said that it's gonna take, it said I should receive it between June 17th and July 6th, I think. So it's gonna take a while before I have it, but I'm so excited. I I've been thinking about videos that I would like to do that are more like vlogs or doing challenges with friends. And I don't know if I'm going to open a new channel for that or if I'm gonna stay on the Canadian Witch for that, what I have in mind. Um, I'll have to see, but yeah, that's plans I have. And also, I'm going to do a video pretty soon, I think. I I discovered online, I look a lot on YouTube and I found DIYs, do it yourselves, and I found makeup. Like, you can make your own makeup. I've made, I don't know how many colors, I think it's 7. Yeah, 7, like, eyeshadow cream. And I've made lipsticks. I made 3, and actually this one is one that I made. So that's my favorite one, and it's very hydrating. The other ones are much less. I think I'm going to redo them and add substances to make it more oily, because if not, it's because it's made with crayons. So if you don't have the best consistency, pardon, your lips are like dry, and the illusion is really like painting your lips with crayons. So, but I'm going to talk about that in another video that I'm gonna do. I'm gonna show my eyeshadows also, and I want to make gloss, and I also saw something to do your own deodorant, and I think I'm gonna try that and see how it goes. It's not gonna be very soon, but I'm gonna try it someday, hopefully soon. So yeah, that's pretty much what I've been doing and looking up to. And also I'm working on my garden outside. I've planted tons of seeds, and some didn't work at all. Like the lavender, I had put 150 seeds of lavender and nothing grew. I was like, what's going on? But I have something that grew, and unfortunately I threw away some of the bags that I've emptied. So I'm not really sure what I had put in that is growing like crazy. I have, I don't know how many of it, and it's been a while, and it's quite long. It's about 30 centimeters or something. It's quite impressive, but nothing grows out of it. It's just some green, long, thin leaves. I guess I can go show you. One sec. I'll try that. Okay. I'll stop and I'll go outside and be ready. Okay, I'm back. So this is what I've been working on. And this thing here grows like crazy. I don't know how well you see, but what is this? And I have a lavender that I need to transplant that I bought. I have rosemary. This is catnip, but the herb. Mint. Sunflowers. Yeah, so that's what I've been working on. So I'm gonna go back inside before my neighbors think I'm crazy. Okay, so yeah, that's you saw what was really long and thin leaves. I have no clue what it is. I can't remember at all what it could be. At first, I thought it would be either the lavender or flower, echinacea. I've looked both online and saw they were both very different from that when it grows. And I only planted, like the only flower I planted was the echinacea, which didn't grow either. So my lavender and my echinacea didn't grow, but something grew and no clue what it is. It should have been an herb, but which one? I really have no clue, and I'm gonna have to retransplant my lavender. I bought it a week or two ago at the store, and I have like an addiction, not an addiction, but I'm very drawn to lavender since like months ago, and I was trying to grow it. It didn't work, so I saw one plant at the store that was $10, so I bought it, and I'm gonna have to transplant it in a bigger pot so that it can last until next spring. Because I think I'm gonna have to take the snips before it ends and retransplant to create many different ones, because I saw that there's a lot that is kinda dry, and I've kept it quite well, and I don't know. So I need to know what is in my pot so that I know what it is, and transplant it on the ground so that I can put the lavender in the pot. So yeah. So that's pretty much what's up with me lately since the video that I did regarding my father's cancer. Hours, maybe 2 hours after I did the video, my aunt died of cancer. I got the news pretty much after it happened, and well, just after, I mean, and it wasn't that long after I did the video, so I just wanted to update you guys. My father's not doing well still. He was out of the hospital, went to see his doctor at the clinic, and was shipped back to the hospital from the clinic. So I have no clue what's going on. But yeah. So I'm trying to stay positive and see the bright side. And like I said, gardening feels good for me. And you've seen what I've grown. I've given some sunflowers to my mother, and I gave her some other grains so that she could grow. She says she has a black thumb, but she's is anyway. Yeah, other story. So yeah. I'm trying to enjoy, and with the summer that is pretty nice and acceptable beside all the rain we had. I try to get out as much as possible when I'm not working. My hours at work lowered, so I try to get outside when I'm not working, so I'm not always at the computer. Since I work on the computer, I try to do something else. And I've been thinking about those challenges that I want to do. So I wanted to ask, what type of challenges would you like me to do? It can be with someone. I have some friends that doesn't mind to be on camera. So you just send me some challenges ideas. I've seen many on channels like Shane and oh god, I, I just watch Shane's. I have his name right in my head, but there's so many YouTubers that are friends, and they do some really cool challenges. But I'd like to see other challenges that maybe I didn't see yet. So go ahead and suggest, and you'll see. So take care, everybody. Let's be. Bye.